Welcome everybody to Unit 2, Counting Methods. We're going to start with an example. Hannah plays on her school's soccer team. The soccer uniform has 2 different sweaters, red or white, and 3 different choices for shorts, red, black, or white. How many different variations of soccer uniform can the coach choose from for each game? So really what this is asking is what is the sample space or the different possible outcomes. We're going to look at this question with the help of a tree diagram first of all to organize the information. Again, we have sweaters. There are 2 choices, red and white, and shorts, red, black, and white. So we can choose to have we can choose to have a red sweater and red shorts. We can have a red sweater and black shorts. We can have a red sweater with white shorts. And then we can have a white sweater with red shorts, a white sweater and black shorts. And we can have a white sweater with white shorts. We can see here from the tree diagram that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 possible outcomes. Total possible sweater short uniform combinations, and there are 6 possibilities. So a tree diagram works, but it may not necessarily be the most efficient method when working with a large sample space. This one was quite easy because there were only a few choices for each item. So we're going to take a look a little further of a more efficient way, and that efficient way is called the fundamental counting principle. That states if we have one task that can be performed in A ways, the second task can be performed in B ways, and a third task can be performed in C ways. The total number of ways to perform all tasks is by just multiplying all of those possible choices together. So we're going to take a look at that specifically in this example. There were 2 choices of sweaters, and there were 3 choices of shorts, and when we multiply that together, we can see from the fundamental counting principle there are 6 different outcomes. If the coach plans on adding 2 different pairs of socks, which are black or white, how many variations of uniforms will there be? Again, we can continue that with our tree diagram, but again, more efficiently using our fundamental counting principle, we can just simply calculate the number of possibilities by taking the number of sweaters, multiply that by the number of short options, there are 3, and the number of sock options, there are 2. So in this particular case, there would be 12 different uniform combination